people, and welcome. I'm Trip. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm at PRI, Performance Racing Industry convention in Indianapolis. It's a big trade show, kind of similar to SEMA, kind of a little bit smaller scale, and it's all motorsports. So less showy stuff, more race car stuff. My first time at this event, so I'm just here as media to kind of get some footage and check things out. So no racing this weekend or no actual track stuff. So there should be quite a few people here I know, so I guess I'll go find them, go watch some panels, walk the floor, check out some of the cars, and yeah. So let's go check the place out. In just a few minutes from being here, I've already seen like a bunch of people that I like recognize from like social media, Instagram, Facebook, and like also seen a lot of cars that I recognize, which is it's always pretty cool to see people in the flesh, in real life, or talk to them, chit chat. I already got to see, well, I've seen Alex in the PhD Super, but I haven't seen Jackie yet. He's around here somewhere. I'm sure I hang out with him a lot this weekend, just to pretty much have a big nanking booth to himself. Hey, it's day 2 of PRI, and one of the good perks of being on media, I get to get in a little bit early, so I can walk around, check out some of the cars without a lot of the crowd around. Sometimes it's kind of hard to get pictures. I mean, it's not as busy as maybe SEMA or something, but it's still a good amount of people. So don't forget in the comments to let me know which one of these cars is your favorite. Like that one? Maybe you like the drift car.
I'm not either, I don't care.
I've always loved the spoon liveries. Part of the reason my valve cover on the car is yellow. I wanted to get as close to that yellow as possible. This event has a lot of like big muscle cars, drag cars, and stuff like that, which they're cool, they're awesome, but not really my cup of tea. So I haven't really focused on a lot of them. Tend to walk past them, even though they're pretty cool, very nicely done. Then you have stuff like this, twin turbo Lamborghini, just crazy nuts stuff. You know, stuff you don't see every day on the street. Kind of cool to see in person. You also have areas that's full of like tooling, welders, pipe benders, a lot of big expensive stuff you can have in the shop. Some really nice stuff, a lot of stuff I wish I had room to have, but where am I going to put that? What I really need is some of these. I need one of those, which I've really been looking into it. I've really considered getting the time machine. Granted, it's kind of an expensive purchase, but I can save money on the long run on swapping tires, because it does get really expensive. Another thing I need to upgrade is a welder. I love to get into a TIG of some sort and start learning that skill. A mini dyno. Maybe I can put one of these in my carport. It'll fit, right? How did I even get this thing in here? It's huge. We got Tomo's car, the most winning car in GOTC, well, this year, I guess. He just killed it this year. These little stickers is every race win he's had in this car. I think these all just this year alone, which is nuts. Of course, I'm more attracted to the track-oriented stuff. It looks pretty serious. Even though I'm not an old school muscle guy, how can you not appreciate something like this? Old Corvette. Look at that. ITBs. Just pretty cool build. It's kind of an interesting window. Engine's bigger than the front of the car. Wish I would have came in a little earlier. I only have a few minutes left until the floodgates open up, because today should be a little bit busier as it was yesterday. Alright. As you see, the floodgates open and everybody's coming back in. So this weekend I've been hanging out at the Nankin Motorsports booth, since pretty much Jackie Ding has had it. So I've just been hanging out with them, hanging out with the TA90. Okay, I just got out of the Good Life panel. That panel is all about pretty much putting out the schedule for 2023, which is one of the main reasons I came to PRI. So I can kind of start planning what events I'm going to get to do next year. Of course, so now I need to see which ones I can make it to, does it conflict with my work and drill schedule, all my stuff. All my stuff always gets in the way. And this new schedule, there's just like no South events, which really sucks. Like the two events that was closest to me, it's not happening more. I think now the closest event, which is a new event, which is in South Carolina, even that's probably going to be 7 hours away. So everything's going to be 7 hours plus. Looks pretty wild. There's the EV FRS BOZ. Pretty cool.
Scalar or hypercraft? Both.
I'm looking you up, trying to find you.
This is pretty much all EV. You might notice this from Pike Speed Kill Climb. Yeah, I found a Lily. I imagine it'd be kind of crazy to see this on the drag strip, considering you associate these with being super loud beasts. I think it would probably be pretty quiet other than tire noise. That's cool when your engine gets cold and needs a hug. I think that'll fit in the fit. You think? Maybe? The turbo itself is bigger than the fit engine. So right now we're just walking around after hours. That way all the crowd's gone. You actually see the cars, and
You guys should see things, right? Otherwise, it's all people.
it's kind of hard to take a picture or a video, and there's like a sea of people around every car. Okay, this is a wrap on PRI. I had an awesome time. Got to meet a lot of people, got to see a lot of cool cars, a lot of cool products. So if you're looking for an event that's kind of like SEMA but a little bit smaller, we can actually see people, talk to people. This is a really good event to network. It's pretty much a big networking event of people talking to other companies and trying to make deals and make relationships. So this is definitely a good event for that. And yeah. But I've been walking for like 3 days straight, I feel like. So legs are worn out. Now I get to jump in the van and drive right home. Hope you enjoyed this video, had a good time making it. If you saw your car in this video, let me know in the comments. And if you want to watch other videos, I've got plenty of those. So check those out. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed it. And I will see you next year. Peace.